You probably know this feeling when you're talking to someone, but people don't seem to like you. But why is that? A lot of people know this feeling, and most people don't know why this is happening. You may think that you don't do anything bad, but in reality, you make one categorical mistake. You're too nice, and it's way more important than you think. People can smell it, and they perceive it as fake. It turns people off from you. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 non-obvious psychological signs that you're too nice. Let's start with number 1, which is sucking up. If you change your opinion just to please other people, it is a sign that you are too nice. And of course, a lot of people have the same opinion as you, but it's not possible to fully agree with someone about multiple topics. If you're talking about something you don't agree with, people can smell it, and they know exactly what you're doing. It scares them away. The fact that you're doing this may be caused by your insecurities or bad self-esteem. In most of the cases, if you share your true opinions, nothing bad will happen. People actually respect that. You need to understand that it's okay to have different opinions, and you have no reason to be afraid of spreading them out loud. If you struggle with this problem, I recommend you to work on your self-confidence, and for sure, you'll notice cool and valuable personal traits that make you unique. Faith in yourself, you are cooler than you think. Number 2 is lack of assertiveness. If you often catch yourself agreeing to something you don't want, you most likely have the wrong approach to interpersonal relationships. Even if someone is your best friend, you're not obligated to do whatever they ask for all the time. Of course, it's awesome to help each other, but you need to remember that you have your own life and priorities. A good friend of yours will actually respect that and understand that you can't help them. I don't tell you to not help them completely. If you can, of course, it's great to do it, but you need to remember to not do something for other people only. You need to take care of yourself at some point. It's impossible to help someone if you don't help yourself, so remember about your priorities, but at the same time, help others in between when possible. Number 3, overthinking. This point is the least obvious. You may think, what overthinking has to do with being too nice? It's simpler than you think. You overthink about a particular situation and what you did, but at the same time, you think about what you could do to achieve a better result. You can catch yourself doing it when you need to respond to someone's text, and you think about the answer for too long. If you're doing this, probably you have this problem. First step to get rid of it is understanding that people don't remember it anyways. They remember only the sense or statement you told them, not exact words you used. The most important thing in communication are opinions and sense of things you're talking about, not words. Paradoxically, that's why it's pointless to overthink about it. You can do it over and over again, and you'll not come to any useful conclusion. People just don't care about it. Only who cares is you. You'll never find the best words to use in any conversation. You'll not make everyone happy, and that's okay. Only what you need to do is to care about sharing your point of view, instead of thinking that someone will like it or not. And of course, at the beginning, it's not simple. Dealing with overthinking can be challenging. That's why we're going to make a video about it in the future, so leave a subscription with notification to not miss it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, leave a like as well, and see you in the future.